In the last video, I mentioned that majors should be tied to real jobs and be concise. The best way to make sure majors are tied to real jobs is to have current employees confirm that what's being taught in class is directly applicable to the employee's work. I've been working in the finance department of a large company for over 9 years. Here's how I would design the classes for a finance major based on what I've encountered during work. The first 7 classes of the major would introduce foundational finance concepts and then have the students practice them. These classes would be 1. Overview of financial accounting. 2. Micro and macro economic concepts for financial applications. 3. Financing overview, types of financing and funding providers. 4. Financial statement analysis. 5. Financial data overview, data sources, systems, visualization, and presentation. 6. Investment options to achieve a goal. 7. Insurance and other financial risk management tools. And 8. Financial modeling and discounted cash flow analysis. The remaining 6 classes would introduce various entry-level jobs for finance majors and have the students complete projects that are the same as what employees in those jobs do. The name I'll give these classes is the actual name of the entry-level job. Here are the classes. 1. Credit analyst. 2. Real estate analyst. 3. Investment analyst. 4. FP&A analyst. 5. Insurance underwriting assistant. And 6. Business valuation consultant. Let me flesh this idea out a bit more using one of the classes I just mentioned. During the FP&A analyst class, a college student could expect to complete several projects, such as a budgeting and forecasting project, a CapEx decision project, and a data analysis and presentation project. I think naming classes using entry-level job titles makes a lot of sense. Plus, it has the added bonus of helping students figure out if certain jobs related to their major might interest them more than others. Now that I've shared the classes I would require for a finance major, I'd like to hand it off to someone else so he can give you the classes he would require for his major. That's coming up in the next video.